Thank you. Where is my daughter?
She's inside, sir.
Did she go out today?
For where? She has not even stepped out from the inside. She has been indoors since morning. So can help.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, my dear.
You're welcome.
I can see you are enjoying yourself.
No, Daddy, I am not. I mean, it's obvious. All I do is sit, drink, smoke. Daddy, I am bored. I need to go to a party, at least a club. I need to have sex, good sex, and Daddy, there are a lot I need to unleash. A lot.
See, Sharon, we have all these things here. I mean, we have good hotels with clubs. We have good restaurants where you can go and eat whatever you want. I mean, we have everything in this country to make you...
Dad, here you go again. Daddy, who's going to take me out? Am I going to go all by myself? I need a company, Dad.
Sharon.
Daddy?
I gave you Benjamin's phone number.
Oh.
He's a nice guy. Call him. I know you're saving his arms. I'll be in my room.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, this courtship, when is it going to end? I can't wait to have you all to myself.
Ha! Calm down, okay? Over speeding kills.
I'm calming down now. Calm.
It's okay.
So why is he not picking my calls? Why?
Calm down. Why are you not taking a call? Who's calling?
My bosses.
Then pick the call now.
Hello?
Hello, handsome. How are you?
I'm doing awesome, and you?
Okay. Actually, I'm home and I'm bored. And I had a discussion with my daddy, and he said I should call you so we can hang out.
Oh yes, but I am not in Owerri presently.
Oh, so where are you?
A village. A 30-minute drive from Owerri.
30 minutes. Oh, I'll wait for you no matter how late. I'll wait. What do you think?
All right.
I thought you said it was your boss.
I said it was my boss's daughter. You didn't let me finish.
A girl?
Yes. She's based in London and she just came back to meet her dad and she'll be going back to her base soon. Babe. It's not what you think. There's nothing between us. She's just bored at home and she wants to go out and she doesn't know her way around Old Town. But I already told her that I'm not around.
It's your life.
Come on, babe. You are part of my life now, okay? And I cannot jeopardize what I have with you for anything. I am telling you the truth. Okay? Please now, stop doing that. Stop doing your face like that. Stop.
Don't be watching.
She means nothing to me. She's a nobody. I don't have anything to do with her. Do you understand?
She's somebody, but it's just that you don't have anything to do with her.
Yeah, okay.
But she shouldn't be somebody in your house.
No, you are the only somebody in my heart.
Jealousy. Okute, you are jealous that my beautiful daughter is getting married. That was why we were saying all sorts of rubbish. In fact, I'm going on job.
Yama. Look, I can't be jealous over a thing I can't even take for a dash. Jealous of a civil servant who is not sure of his job, that his employer can wake up in the end of the month and say, I don't have money to pay you. Is that somebody that should be jealous? Chukwamakwe. I can't buy like this from pocket.
We shall see the kind of millionaire or even billionaire that will come to marry your daughter.
And I don't do childish this. It's already obvious. My daughter is a first-class wife material. And so she will marry a first-class husband material. Unlike yours, posting a SS1. Of course, she has to meet up with the level honor. And the level honorable SS1 husband material, that's a liability. So invariably, the man is coming as a liability husband to a liability father-in-law. If I didn't liability, if I could say that ET.
If I see your legs anywhere near my compound on that day, in fact, I will do something you will not forget it in a hurry. In fact, I will practically cut your legs off.
You don't have to sharpen any knife to cut anything. I can't attend such occasions where I am not sure that it's befitting of my class. My class, I don't know. That kind of occasion where a short while they will tell you drink has finished. Then I get from line to line. I do. You go one bottle before. Your plate. Look. Don't eat again. If I broke Akomosu. See that kind of occasion I find myself.
Okay. We are looking forward to seeing the kind of in-laws you bring to your compound.
No, we are going to the primary school now, where private jet is going to land on my daughter's birthday, wedding. Don't you know this? Let's go and supervise it.
John,
let's go and supervise it. Primary school.
The pain be like fire. I don't believe it in my eye to see how baby could do me so. I don't think I'm I know, understand I'm the love with the sweetie. How she go come scatter.
Daughter, are you still here?
Where else do you want me to be, Dad?
I thought Benjamin was supposed to come take you out.
I thought so too.
Is he no longer coming?
I don't know. Daddy, I'm tired. I'm bored. I need to go back.
Relax, let me call him.
I need to go back. Man, come on now.
I'm not going anywhere this night. I'm tired. What is it, sir? This is cheap. Good evening, sir.
My daughter is waiting for you to come take her out. Where are you?
I'm on my way, sir. I'll be there soon, sir. I'm driving now.
Good.
Hey,
My princess, he's already on his way.
Whatever then. Whatever.
I am so sorry. I went out.
At least you're here now.
Okay.
So can we?
All right. So, please come. Would you want to sit at the back or?
I just need the front.
No. I think you should sit at the back so that you. Okay, it's fine if you want the front. I'm sorry. Sometimes the door have this. Yeah. So. You can just calm down. Okay. Thank you. I need to take you home. It's 3 a.m. I need to take you home.
But I'm not done yet.
You need to sleep. I have 7 a.m. service to attend tomorrow.
Okay. Take me to a hotel. Yeah, please. We need to have fun. And me and you fun. And I need to see the size of that thing in there.
You don't understand it. I have to go home. Okay? If you want to go to a hotel to sleep, that's fine. I can take you to a comfortable hotel. But for me, I will go home this night.
Okay, that's fine. Take me home to my father next time. I know you are shy, right? No problem.
Did you just... You know what? Let's go. Let's go.
I'm fine.
You want to marry, yes sir. You want to marry, yes sir. From the look of things, you want to marry my daughter, yes sir. Oh yeah, show me your jeep or your helicopter. She go university, get a degree, not a diploma. Do you live abroad, a businessman or politician? If you're a civil servant, sorry, impossible. I wish you good luck, and by the way, you have to drop something. Drop something. You must drop something. Follow my romancing. You have to drop something. Kissing and hugging. You must drop something. You know why? Don't wash your woman and I want in a story. You have to drop something. That's right. Don't wash your woman and I want in a letter. You must drop something.
Oh, yes. Happy, is it?
Yeah. Thank you so much for the nice time. I really had fun.
The pleasure is all mine.
You enjoyed it, right?
Yes.
I know. I'll just go home.
Alright. Sweet dreams.
Yes. I'll go home.
Sure.
Thank you. You can't believe it. I want to tell you something. I'm beginning to fall in love with him.
I told you he's a nice man, and then he's financially okay. What else does a girl want in a man?
Do you know that each passing day without hearing from him is not complete for me? I have to hear from him, at least through phone call. Hello, how are you? Before my day will be complete.
Love is a beautiful thing, no? Me too, I go love. God, when?
Very soon.
When will I be talking like
Very
this?
soon, you're the one that is not picking your call.
Picking my call.
He's taking me on a date tomorrow.
Are you serious?
Yes, he said it's a special date.
Wow. Just make sure you bring something for me when you're coming back.
Hey, you know I don't like that kind of thing. Take me out now. Start saying, give me something.
You have to bring something for me, my friend. What are you saying?
There's no problem. So, what should I bring for you?
I want ice cream, I want pizza, I want rice, chicken.
Chinasa. Which one is ice cream, pizza? Is it you that are taking out? At least the least I can bring is chicken and rice and salad. Anything ice cream and all that, please.
Please, bring me something very good.
Ice cream is not good to your head.
Bring me some ice cream in this hot sun. Ice cream is very good. No, I want to be fat. I want ice cream. I want to be fat.
Ice cream is somebody fast.
I want it. I want to get fat. I want to be very fat so that men will see me. I want to. I don't have my own man, so I want to get married.
You don't know that men like to get you.
No, they like them fat with big bumbo.
You want to marry, yes sir. You want to marry, yes sir. From the look of things, you want to marry my daughter, yes sir. Oh yeah, show me your jeep or your helicopter. She go university, get a degree, not a diploma. Do you live abroad, a businessman or politician? If you're a civil servant, sorry, impossible. I wish you good luck, and by the way, you have to drop something. Drop something. You must drop something. For love and romancing. You have to drop something. Kissing and hugging. You must drop something. You know why? To fashion woman and that money, no story. You have to drop something. That's right. To fashion woman and that money, no later after. You must drop something. At all, na wichi. It is not by force, make sure it is from your heart. Anything I get, I will appreciate. Make it something good, something very good. If you want to show love for her, it is important to. You have to drop something. Don't to forget, you must drop something. For love and romancing, you have to drop something. Kissing and hugging, you must drop something. To fashion woman and that money, no story. You have to drop something. Drop something. To fashion woman and that money, no later after. You must drop something. You have to drop something. Drop something. You must drop something. For love and romancing, you have to drop something. Kissing and hugging, you must drop something. You know why? To fashion woman and that money, no story. That's right. To fashion woman and that money, no later after. You must drop something.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Because you are beautiful. You see, each time I look at you like this, I see how amazing, how beautiful and how wonderful the creation of God is. You are the most beautiful woman I have ever seen. You are kind and everything about you is just beautiful. I'm looking for deeper words to express how I feel, but I can't seem to find them. I just don't know how to express this thing that I feel, but I know that I love you. I genuinely love you. I don't know what you have done to me, but I like it.
I don't even know what to say. Like, you're making me sweat under AC. Because I love you. Yes. And as much as I don't want to tell myself the truth, I love you so much, babe.
Then marry me.
Ben, but you, I thought you said we should start. I told you, let's start with courtship.
Yes, but I can't wait. Okay, I can't wait anymore. What are we waiting for? Just say yes to me and marry me.
Yes, what are we waiting for? I'll marry you.
Yes.
So that we can.
Yes, I'll come every morning to see.
I'll still do some bad thing.
You go back. Don't call him to you. You like it? Let us go. Let us go before my body starts to do it. Put your seatbelt.
I
like it.
I like it.
I think I like it. I was just praying and say, God should help me so that you like it. Sweet me. See there, I'll go and buy this. This is she wear. That is what I'm going to buy for you now. Thank you.
You have to drop something. Kissing and hugging. You must drop something. To wash a woman and that money, no story. You have to drop something. Drop something. To wash a woman and that money, no later after. You have to drop something. You have to drop something. Drop something. You must drop something. For love and romancing. You have to drop something. Kissing and hugging. You must drop something. You know why? To wash a woman and that money, no story. You have to drop something. That's right. To wash a woman and that money, no later.
So, when am I coming to officially see your people and collect the list?
That's too fast.
Too fast?
Yes.
Anyway, that's how I want it. I want everything to work as soon as possible.
I understand, but you have to slow down. One step at a time. Don't worry. You just engaged me. I know when the time is right, we'll take the next step.
Okay. Oh no, that's my job. So let me do my job, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Papa,
So this is how you would have just creeped in and creeped out if I hadn't come out, eh?
No, sir. I was just saying, let me finish with her and then I will come in and greet you, sir.
When she was already giving you a goodbye kiss and goodbye hug.
Not exactly. I would have still come in to greet you, sir.
Anyway, I have come out already. I'm outside.
Okay, sir.
Not okay, sir. But if I'm working there, man, well, you know now.
Yes, sir. You can have this for your drink, sir. I'm free to go now, sir.
Approved.
Yes, sir.
And permission granted, sine qua non.
Thank you, sir.
You can fall out.
Thank you.
If you're a civil servant, sorry, impossible. I wish you good luck, and by the way, you have to drop something. Drop something. You must do.
Is this really the kind of husband I want for my lovely daughter? Is this really the kind of in-law I want? After training her in school and opening a tailoring shop for her, she will now end up with a man driving ordinary small Camry car, small eye. A retailer. Chai, after making mouth with my friends, they will not come and see this kind of in-law. No. This won't work. Wrong show. My daughter should marry a wealthy man who drives big cars, not that small car. But if I stop this man from coming to see my daughter at this moment, I won't be getting all these small gifts he brings. I know what to do. I won't discharge him yet. At least it's better than Okonkwo's in-law, who is a mere civil servant and doesn't even own a bicycle, not more of a car. Yes, this one is better.
This food is good. So delicious.
I really enjoyed it though. That's why I brought some for you.
Very sweet.
Guess what?
What?
Guess.
You know I don't like guessing.
Guess. Now just try small.
Okay. I'm sorry, I can't.
Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes now. Ta-da!
Okay. Eh? What is it?
It was Chinasa. She was shouting. So I joined her to shout. We were shouting about our future. Our future. We just remembered something about our future.
And you are shouting?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why you are shouting?
Yes.
You remember something?
You just want us to stop. Oh, I'm so happy for you. Thank you. Thank you. Shouting again. Shut up. This girl, I want you now. I don't want to experience the movie. This is beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Continue to my food.
From the look of things, you want to marry my daughter. Yes, oh yeah, show me your jeep or your helicopter. She go university, get a degree, not a diploma. Do you live abroad, a businessman or politician? If you're a civil servant, sorry, impossible. I wish you good luck, and by the way, you have to drop something. Drop something. You must drop something. For love and romancing, you have to drop something. Kissing and hugging, you must drop something. You know why?
Yeah. Hello, handsome. How are you? Good. Just bored. So how are you doing? You're still at the shop? Wow, sounds good. Ah, okay. So I'm actually bored and I'm home. So I don't know when you're done with sales for today. Can you maybe go home, change to something really nice so we can hang out in the lunch? Okay, no problem. Benjamin, can I ask you a question, please?
Yeah, sure.
Benjamin,
Yes.
and you're still concentrating on your phone. Can I talk to you?
Yeah, you said you wanted to ask a question. I'm listening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Am I not beautiful? Am I not sexy?
Why would you say a thing like that? You're beautiful.
Because
now.
I'm sitting right in front of you and you're concentrating on your phone. I can't even put it together. Probably maybe I'm the one asking you out. But you should grab this with your two hands because it's an opportunity. A big one.
Okay. Well, the thing is, first of all, there's nothing wrong with you, okay? Nothing, absolutely nothing. You are okay. But it's just that I am in love with someone else. And we are planning on getting married. And I wouldn't want to cheat on her, that's it.
Okay. Is she better than me? Is she richer than me?
She doesn't have to. Okay, she doesn't have to be.
Take me home. I need to see my father now.
Wait,
Take me home! Now!
Oh, see your driver. Come on, Sharon. I don't know. I'm sorry if I offended you, but would you prefer that I lied to you? I have a girlfriend, and we are planning on getting married. If you were the girl, how will you feel if I should deceive you? I don't think this is supposed to be a problem. I don't know, you're expecting an adult like me to be single or something.
Can you just concentrate? Like, just focus, keep driving. Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please don't... Focus.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Too many potholes. Concentrate, please.
Yes, ma'am.
My princess, please tell me what is the matter.
Daddy, I am done. I don't want to talk to you or anyone else. First thing tomorrow morning, I am out of this house. I'm done with that.
Nwa obodo Ibia. Every time I'm done here, I want to go back to base. What is all this? Aloy. Come here.
Chief, I hope there's no problems.
Where is my daughter coming from?
Okay, now Oga Benjamin become behaving. Come carry her come out around 7. So now as they just come out, now you come back. So but they know to tell Benjamin come bring her back. Come out.
You mean Benjamin brought her home now?
Yes. He never go far. Maybe he never reach junction by now. If you permit me now, make her go sure.
I see.
Make her pursue him. I talk him say all is not well at all. Eh? Because the way this guy take jump out from the motor. Now that time I know say wrestling and fight not be the same. Because if not before, she go just Benjamin's go come down, come go round, come open door for her. Then she go come down, come to work, come do Then Benjamin now come do like saying do break dance. Come drag her close, hug her, kiss her. No, they know the kiss, be careful. Okay, yes, you go come hug her, hug, kiss her. But this old now, the one where I take, the way this guy take jump off from the motor this night. There is a problem.
What will I be doing with a smoker, a drunk, a loose girl that dances with everybody? Can't even lose my precious Oluchi for anything. She's all I need right now.
Leave me out first. Please.
Daddy, I am done. I am done in this country. I've already booked my flight going back to UK. Daddy, all I just need to do is just to get to Lagos and get into my apartment, and tomorrow morning I am off.
What do you lack? Name it.
Daddy, I lack everything. Every single thing. What do I get to see in this house? The chef? Is it Aloy? Daddy, I'm tired of this circle. I'm tired of seeing their face every day. I'm tired.
Baby, I'm your father. What about Benjamin, your new boyfriend?
Benjamin is not my boyfriend. Benjamin clearly told me that he has a girlfriend that he cannot cheat on. Daddy, look at me. I am tired. I am fed up. I haven't even had sex for like 2 weeks now. This is something I do twice, at least. Twice daily. For 2 weeks, Daddy. It has a way of releasing my stress. I am tensed right now. I haven't done this. It's not fair.
All right, calm down. Calm down, Sharon. Listen, I want to get something first. Daughter, do you like Benjamin?
Oh my God, Daddy, you're asking this question again. Daddy, I do. You know that, obviously. But the dude says he can't cheat.
All right. That is what I want to know, and it's the only thing that matters. Now, give me 3 days.
Daddy.
I am pleading with you. 3 days.
Daddy.
And I will get Benjamin for you.
Daddy, Benjamin said, he told me face to face he cannot cheat on his girlfriend.
Daughter, I am Chifume, and you know your father. Anything I want, I get. So please, 3 days. 3 days, and Benjamin will run back here begging for your love. Listen, if I am not able to do it, you are free to fly back to base, and I won't stop you. 3 days.
That means 3 days.
Sure, 3 days. My girl. Please give me a hug. Febo! Febo! Come and take this box inside.
I wish you good luck, and by the way, you have to drop something. must drop something. For love and romancing, you have to drop something. Kissing and hugging, you must drop something. You know why?
Okute. You beat me to it this time. You are here before me.
Marry them, man. I must what?
I didn't see you at your friend's daughter's marriage ceremony. What happened?
How can you be asking that kind of question? Were you not here to hear him say what he said? Huh?
I don't expect you to take that seriously. Both of you were speaking in anger to each other. It shouldn't hold water.
It held water where I was, oh. I don't want somebody to cut off my leg.
Of course, you should know your friend Okonkwo more than myself. You should know he was speaking in anger. Actually, he was very worried you were not there at the ceremony. Yes.
Well, if he didn't take it seriously, I took it seriously. Anyway, that's all in the past now. How was the ceremony?
That's gone. He tried his best. You wouldn't expect him to kill himself because he was married. He did the best he could do.
Civil servants, marriage in the civil servants. I detest civil servants, evil servants.
You see, nobody knows the kind of husband the daughter will marry. Let us take it the way it is.
Never. To fear. My daughter will never marry a civil servant, Chukwajo, except in case the legal government. That one can come. But if it's all this thing, don't worry. On the day of my daughter's traditional marriage, this village got under shut down, like buying with COVID. Nobody goes in, nobody comes out. Don't worry.
Hey, Okute, you're very funny, man. The truth is this, I'm not getting married tomorrow. No, am I getting married next tomorrow? Let us take it as it is and enjoy ourselves.
You say... Nah, I go to Yeah, we're also going to have glass for buying mine.
Hey!
This one is thick. What
is going on here? Where are all these goodies coming from?
Ha! Our in-law visited and he bought all these things for us.
Which in-law?
How many in-laws do you have?
None that I know.
Benjamin! Oh, Benjamin!
Benjamin brought all this?
Yes! See. Now, he even give me this money. Look at it.
Let me see.
See what? Yeah.
Am I no longer the man of this house?
Eziogu. This man has been dashing you money ever since he started visiting us here. But you have never cared to even give me some. And now it is my turn. You are not telling me you are the man of the house. You are not just the man of the house. You are the man of the year.
I'm no longer your husband, Agnes.
But this is not a matter of husband and wife. It is not. He specifically gave this one to me. Oh? Yeah.
Agnes. That's me.
Take me.
Hey, I'm a young Kemoto. Again, Nigeria Limited. Why? It does that's me as well. What if I can?
Now you are talking. Hey, this is what you should have done since he ever announced him man of the house. You should have just beg quietly.
Again, cut too small. Now add something.
No, but if you don't want to take, I'll take it back.
Hey, no, don't take it back. Don't put it there. Don't put it there.
Put it back in my CBN. Then you know.
Thank you.
They can manage.
Yeah. Why? If you're going to wine.
If I were you, I'll keep this money. Into getting each other now.
Agnes. Agnes.
Hi.
We go here. Please sit down.
What is it?
It's about this young man that has been coming to us to see our daughter Oluchi.
What about him?
What is your take on the whole thing?
Which take? They are getting married soon. Or do you have a problem with that?
Is that the kind of man we want our daughter to end up with? After training her in the higher institution and opening a tailoring shop for her?
What do you mean? Is anything wrong with Benjamin? A man that deals on electronics in a way and drives a car. How many people drive cars in this village? How many?
My dream son-in-law is someone like Dangote or Innocent Motors, a billionaire. Yeah? Not one creepy person with one creepy car coming from a creepy environment. No.
That is your dream son-in-law. Keep dreaming while we face the reality.
It's my mouth we came in. This is my mouth we came in after making all the mouth. Huh? I have made mouth of private jet landing. Huh? How will I realize this now? Huh? Hey. Anyway, the boy is even better than all those carpenter and bricklayer from this village who have been proposing to her. Hey.
Good evening, Chief. There is something I want us to discuss.
Okay, sir.
It is very important to me. And it is not something that another ear must hear. It is not a fun thing because it might be recorded. Not in my house. Not in your house or any other house. Because the walls have ears. The reason I, Chief Ume, decided to drive myself after so many years. Ben, it is you and I in this car.
Okay, sir. I'm listening.
Ben.
Sir.
Whatsoever you are today, I made you. I saw your hustling spirit in the electronic market in Onisha and I picked you. I called you and asked you to look for a shop in Asaba or Owerri. And you chose Owerri. I gave you money to pay for the shop rent. I equally gave you money to equip the shop. And I started giving you goods on credit. Thankfully today, you are now a man of your own. That is undoubtedly true, sir. I want you to pay me back for all the goods I've done you. Sir, I don't mind if it is something within my powers. Certainly, Ben. If it's something you can do. Okay, sir. You know how I lost my wife in an auto crash? That made me lose my manhood. I decided not to remarry because I don't want to bring someone's daughter under my roof to live under bondage in the name of marriage. Because I know I can no longer perform as a man. I've told you that before. Yes, sir, you have told me the story, and I am sorry for your loss.
My breakfast is served. Please, ma, don't be offended. I don't mean to interfere in your lifestyle. But smoking and drinking is a very bad thing in our culture. See, a woman is not supposed to smoke and drink. Look at yourself. You're a very beautiful lady from a wealthy background. This your lifestyle can make men run away from you. See, here is a no-no. But there, you can smoke and drink. But you see here, it's a no-no. Especially if you're a woman.
It's okay. It's fine. Thank you.
Don't be offended though.
No. It's okay.
Thanks. You're welcome.
Okay, what just happened? Just spoke to me like a child. She happened.
Ben, the greatest nightmare of every wealthy man is the fear that one day he shall die and strangers will devour his wealth. Heartbreaking, sir. I don't have a son. And I will not have any unless a miracle happens. And as you wait for that miracle, I want to make do with what I have. Sharon. She is my first fruit, my blood, from my loins and balls. She was given to me by my beloved late wife. I want to make her the inheritor of all I have labored for all my life.
Sir, that is a perfect idea, sir.
Good. I want her to settle down here. Get married here. Raise her family here. So that I can joyfully bequeath all my wealth. I mean, my factories, my hotels, my chains of businesses to her and her future husband. Ben, she doesn't want to live here. She prefers to settle there, abroad. Then I know what it took me to convince her to come down here to see me. Because I've been the one going over there to see her. The truth is that I want her around me now. I want her to understudy me. But no one knows when death will come calling.
Exactly, sir. No one knows.
Oh, my man. Welcome.
Yeah, Okute, just hold it there. Keep your healing to yourself. Okute, keep your healing to yourself. I heard everything you said about my daughter and her husband.
You heard what? So Maruka has now turned to a tailbearer. I mean, a very simple discussion amongst friends. Why should it be a problem?
So, Okute, of all the topics for discussion, you chose my daughter and her husband up here, and you want me to clap for you? Eh?
Look on the more. Me that didn't even attend the wedding. You left Maruka. Who told me that food and drinks finish halfway to come and attack me? Eh? Hey, Okonkwa, what color is your problem?
Yeah, Okute, just don't defend yourself. Eh? Don't defend yourself. I heard everything. But what I'm telling you is that we are all eagerly waiting to see that billionaire that will marry your daughter. All eyes are on your daughter. We shall see that royal wedding that will take place in your compound.
Yeah. This place will be a shutdown. No going out, no going in. That's what you're going to see. My friends will fly in with private jet. They are Indians, Chinese. They will attend. No, you won't even be the
Jono. Leave it for us. You won't leave it for us. Leave it for us. Go and get your own son-in-law.
Okay.
Go and get your own son-in-law.
Already.
Jono Eboji. Jono Eboji. Go and get your own son-in-law. Jono Eboji.
Each of one, it's in a salary.
You want to marry